northbound delays through here, right around the south end of it, and just slower than I'm used to seeing over on Marine Warner Stewartson Way. Next stop is over under the Salwell Bridge, which doesn't appear to be too bad as of right now in terms of the volume delays. Portman Bridge has got the winter maintenance going on. Westbound HOV lane is closed. Highway 1 all the way down into Abbotsford. And again, into Abbotsford, through Surrey, through Langley, that appears to be okay for now. Past Abbotsford, that's the problem. If you're working your way eastbound from Abbotsford into Chilliwack, be very, very careful. We're still getting multiple reports of cars in ditches and icy conditions on top of that extreme wind on Highway 1 off between Abbotsford and
lights
Chilliwack.
are off.
And also, specifically, watch out at the border between Abbotsford and Chilliwack because, I mean, I'm not calling anybody out for municipalities, but it sounds like Chilliwack was a little bit more prepared than Abbotsford, and they did a bit